Hey there, science lovers. Get ready to have your mind blown with some of the weirdest and most wonderful facts about our world. Let's dive right in.
You know how important bees are, right? These tiny creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Without them, many of the plants we rely on for food wouldn't be able to reproduce. Pollination, honey, the whole deal. Bees are responsible for pollinating about 1/3 of the food we eat. And let's not forget the delicious honey they produce, which has been a staple in human diets for thousands of years. But did you know that scientists once gave bees cocaine? Yes, you heard that right. In an experiment to understand the effects of drugs on behavior, researchers administered cocaine to bees. Instead of making honey, these bees started dancing erratically and couldn't communicate with their hive. Their usual waggle dance, which they used to share information about food sources, became chaotic and confusing. Who knew that even bees could be affected by such substances?
Here on Earth, we're used to a day being 24 hours. The sun rises, the sun sets, and we go about our daily routines, all within this familiar cycle. And a year being 365 days. We mark our calendars, celebrate birthdays, and watch the seasons change as Earth completes its orbit around the sun. But on Venus, things are quite different. A day on Venus is actually longer than its year. Imagine that for a moment. It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis than to orbit the sun. Specifically, Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation, but only about 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the sun. Now that's what I call a long day. Imagine living on a planet where a single day stretches out longer than an entire year. The concept challenges our understanding of time and makes us appreciate the unique rhythms of our own planet even more.
We all know stress is no good, but did you know it can actually shrink your brain? The hippocampus, responsible for memory and learning, can decrease in size. So, next time you feel stressed, take a deep breath.
We've come a long way in dental hygiene. Nowadays, we've got toothpaste with fluoride, whitening agents, even bubblegum flavors. But back in ancient Rome, they used crushed mouse brains to brush their teeth. I'm glad we've moved on.
Ever feel like you spend your whole life waiting for red lights to turn green? The average person will spend about 6 months of their life just sitting at red lights. Maybe we should all start riding bikes.
You know the saying, running around like a chicken with its head cut off? Meet Mike the Headless Chicken. In the 1940s, Mike survived a farming accident and lived for 18 months, becoming a circus attraction.
Think you know your fruits? Bananas are technically berries. They fit the scientific definition of a berry. And strawberries? They're not berries at all. They're called accessory fruits. Isn't science wild?
Earthquakes are caused by tectonic plates, but did you know the moon has moonquakes? They can last for hours, caused by Earth's gravitational pull.
Your stomach is amazing. It churns food, breaks it down, and dissolves metal. The acid in your stomach is as corrosive as battery acid, but don't worry, the lining of your stomach protects you.
Everyone wants to find the fountain of youth, a mythical source of rejuvenation that promises eternal youth and vitality. For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of reversing the aging process, seeking out elixirs, potions, and even modern anti-aging products in hopes of turning back the clock. But the Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish may have discovered it. This remarkable creature, often referred to as the immortal jellyfish, has a unique ability that sets it apart from all other known life forms. This tiny creature can revert back to its juvenile stage when threatened or injured, essentially resetting its life cycle. Through a process called transdifferentiation, the jellyfish transforms its mature cells into younger ones, allowing it to start its life anew. Scientists are still trying to understand how this process works at a molecular level, but imagine the possibilities. If we could unlock the secrets of the Turritopsis dohrnii, it could revolutionize our approach to aging and longevity, potentially leading to breakthroughs in medicine and extending human life. Ever notice you're a little taller in the morning? Throughout the day, gravity compresses the cartilage in your spine, making you shorter. While you sleep, the cartilage expands again, so you wake up a little taller. And there you have it, just a fraction of the incredible and bizarre facts about our world. Stay curious and see you next time.